Welcome to Sociology Vibes, where we simplify challenging ideas into easy to understand insights. Stick around to see the world and your life in a different way. Today, our focus is on explaining socialization from a sociological perspective. Socialization is how we learn society. It is the process through which we learn the cultural values, norms, and societal expectations of us. The socialization process influences how we are and think about ourselves, including our beliefs, perspectives on life, behaviors, and so much more. It starts when we're born and continues throughout our lifetimes. The thinking voice in your mind is society living in you and reflects the socialization process. Socialization is how we learn to fit into society, interact with people, and participate in communities and different social environments. Socialization helps us understand how to act and what to expect in various social settings so we can get along with others. And when this occurs on a macro level, it allows societies to function. Socialization is a process that occurs through both agents of socialization and significant others. Family, friends, and peers are all agents of socialization, and institutional agents of socialization include education, mass media, religious, economic, and political social institutions. Within each of these, significant others exist that strongly influence our lives, including our socialization. So, for example, the family is our primary agent of socialization in early childhood development, and the family members to whom we are emotionally attached are our significant others. Once we enter school, the education system or the education institution is a secondary agent of socialization. And our teachers also play a role as significant others in our socialization, including the social rules of getting along with authority figures and peers. Peers and friends, especially as we transition through the later years of childhood, and especially in adolescence, are our significant others with whom we learn and practice society's social norms and rules. Mass and social media are another secondary agent of socialization, through which we are exposed to different cultural norms. When we enter the workforce, we learn the values and norms of the workplace. This includes understanding how to communicate professionally, meeting deadlines, and collaborating with colleagues. Each workplace has its own culture, and part of socialization is adapting to that specific environment. Likewise, the religious and political institutions act as secondary agents of socialization in direct and indirect ways and manners. As we move through life's different phases, we continue to be resocialized as we encounter new roles, new experiences, and new social environments. There are many examples of adult socialization, some of which are taking on the roles and social expectations of marriage, divorce, parenthood, grandparenthood, retirement, moving to new geographic locations, changing employment. And understanding the impact of the socialization process helps us realize why people behave the way they do. It's not just about individual choices. It's about the influence and impact of social environments, culture, and society. And this understanding can make us more empathetic and open-minded as we recognize that our behaviors are shaped by our unique experiences and surroundings and wider societal expectations. So the next time you notice a new trend or find yourself adjusting to a new situation, remember that this is part of the socialization process. Pay attention to the expectations, the rules, the subtle rewards and corrections you receive from authority figures and peers as you adjust to the new environment or role. Similarly, in what social environments do you play the role of a significant other? And how do you go about teaching the social norms to these individuals or groups? The socialization process is complex because humans have extended childhoods and a longer lifespan than many other social animals. And so there is a lot more to this. And this makes sociology worth exploring further, don't you think? Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, give a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next Sociology Vibes video.